In 2025, ETFs focusing on the S&P 500, total market, AI-driven industries, clean energy, and tech infrastructure are attracting long-term money. These are not overnight plays. These are sleep-at-night investments. This is how people quietly build wealth while living normal lives. But let's be real again. Some of you want growth, not just safety. That's where a controlled portion of your $500 can go into higher growth assets. It's to buy strong companies and give them time. Crypto is not dead, but blind crypto investing is. In 2025, smart money treats crypto as a small, higher risk, higher reward portion of a portfolio. The whole thing. Bitcoin and Ethereum continue to dominate long-term trust because they've survived multiple market cycles. People lose money, not because markets fall, but because they panic sell during fear and buy during excitement. Emotional investing is expensive. Smart investors set rules before emotions appear. They decide when to invest, how much, and for how long. They don't check prices every hour. They don't compare themselves to others. They focus on their own plan. Here is something powerful to understand. Your first investment, isn't about profit. S about identity. Once you see yourself as an investor, your decisions change. You think long-term. You delay gratification. You start asking better questions. And that's when opportunities start finding you. Another thing most people don't talk about is fees. Fees silently kill small portfolios. In 2025, always choose platforms with low fees, fractional investing, and transparent costs. A 1 to 2% fee might sound small, but over years, it can erase thousands. Smart investing is boring, but boring works. If this video made you think differently about money, investing, and your future, then this channel is for you. Every video here is designed to help you escape financial confusion and build real clarity step by step. So here's your one-line action. Subscribe and watch the next video on this channel. Because the next step after investing $500 wisely is knowing exactly how to scale it without stress or mistakes. Your future doesn't change in one day. It changes the day you decide to start.